Arthritis is a tough one. The most common is called osteoarthritis. Now, osteoarthritis, it's also called degenerative disc disease and degenerative joint disease. Now, arth means joint. Itis means inflammation. So when I say arthritis, I'm saying joint inflammation. Okay, here's the problem. Osteoarthritis is what you all have. It's the most common type of arthritis. And it comes from an accident, but it's not inflammation. So arthritis, when it says joint inflammation, it's not inflammation of the joint. It's also, when I say it's degenerative disc disease, it's also not a disease. Okay, it's the result of a trauma. And that's the cool part. Now, that means that this body, if it has the natural curves to the side and straight up and down from the front, it's strong. It can't be damaged. But if you know anyone that's had a trauma, whiplash, accident, when we take an x-ray and we see that spine off to the side, this is normal, okay, if it was straight up and down. If there's a bend off to the side, like we've seen in some of our patients, but there's no change in the bone or the disc, that's called grade 1. Now that can happen almost immediately after an accident, but it has to be there for at least 4 to 5 years. Okay, when we start to see changes in the disc spaces. And that's how it's graded. Grade 1 means it's not in the right place, but there's no change in the disc or bone. If we start to see changes in those spaces, that means it's been damaged for over 5 years. And if we start to see a lot of changes in the spaces, that could be up to 15 years. Now, after 15 years, when this has had a problem, even the bones start to change shape. And that's grade 3. So now what we do, we identify the problem, and if you see a problem on the spine, you can't tell if you can fix it unless you bend it. And if it does bend, then you can correct even grade 3 back to normal. But it takes time. So to have one, this might take a year, year and a half to get it corrected. Grade 2 has been damaged for 10 to 15 years. This may take 2 to 3 years to get back to normal. And grade 3 may be 5 to 10 years to get back to normal, maybe even more. But symptoms go away quick. Now, I actually wrote the book, How to Reverse Arthritis. And because I had a number of doctors say, what do you mean you could reverse arthritis? So now, are these bones in a human being, these bones and discs, are they alive or dead? Alive. Isn't that weird? So they are alive. So if you change the position and motion, you change the nutrients to that disc. And if you change the position completely, you change the forces on that. And then the body remodels those joints, because every joint in your body is no older than 7 to 8 years. So if you've had a problem, we start to see that body distorting. Now that's so important because the brain is up here and it sends messages down to control every part of the body. So if this area is out, people can have breathing problems and heart issues. If this is out, they can have bowel and bladder control issues. If this is out, they can have sinus or jaw pain. Okay, so each one of those alarms is telling you that there's a dysfunction, a problem. So this grades of arthritis can be corrected. Now, symptoms go away quickly. Now, in our world, are people concerned with fixing the problem or the symptom of the moment? It's the symptom of the moment. And that's the bummer, because your body is intelligent. It gives pain heart issues, all of these symptoms has an alarm to tell you there's a problem. So what we do, within 30 adjustments, we get a second x-ray. Within 60 adjustments, we get another x-ray. Within 100 adjustments, we start to see the discs regenerate and the bone spurs go away. Within a year to year and a half, you start to literally see the arthritis reverse. And people will say, wait a second, do I need to be under care for 2 or 3 years? I don't know. How many people here brush their teeth? Did you brush your teeth this morning? Good. You're not going to do it again later on, are you? You know, how many people eat healthy and organic? Well, once you get into it, you're going to always eat healthy and organic. The key is, when you're talking to correct grade 2, it took about 10 to 15 years to form. You can get maximum correction in around 5 years. But it's not the same frequency. And it really depends on your lifestyle. Now, I have one patient, he's in Southern California. He's a mixed martial artist and he has 6 kids. And he's head of a huge religious organization. Is that high stress or high stress? 6 children. Anybody want 6 children? No, that's stress alone. And he's a mixed martial artist. So I'm going to see him twice a week the rest of his life, as long as he's in that stress level. But then I have another patient who's also in Huntington Beach, and she's a yoga instructor. She has no kids. She's in her 40s. She's healthy. Once we got her spine corrected, I see her about once a month to every other month. So to correct this is consistent. That's why we do post x-rays and do the adjustments. To maintain it healthy is depending on your lifestyle. But that's why the first 60 adjustments, we do 3 adjustments a day, over day in, day out, and then we see those changes. But then this is why we ask you to do the exercises. We talk about changing sleep patterns, changing nutrient levels, changing the emotional component, because changing the physical, chemical, and emotional stress, then the body can maintain health. Does that make sense? It does. And it's the only thing that does make sense. I know we've had 2 patients this morning that had surgeries. I'm going to ask you to do an exercise. So sit up nice in your chair. Okay. You're going to keep your shoulders level, but you're going to slide them off to the side. Now, by sliding your shoulders off to the side and staying here, where do you feel it? You're going to feel it down here. Okay, so now let's stay like this for a year. And then let's go to a surgeon. They're going to operate on this. But that's why surgery has to be repeated within 5 years, 70%, because they're not looking at the overall, the whole body. So when you look at the back pain, 30% of back pain is coming from a loss of curve or forward head carriage. If you have heart issues, you have to look at the nerves that supply the heart first. It may be a contributing factor, may not be. But you have to know that that nervous system controls every function of the body. And if that nervous system is compromised, then the body won't function well. Does that make sense? Yeah, and human beings recover super fast. And this is a really thin book. It's not that complicated. I detail out in here things that will help, because inflammation's a healing process of the body. It's not damaging. So you want to give things that help that inflammation, like vitamin C, omega-3s, water, vegetables, juicing. That's why we have all of that here. So you get the nutrients in the system, and then when I'm actually adjusting you, I'm creating inflammation so the body can regenerate. Is that cool? Okay, good. Any questions? Stay healthy, my friends. God bless you.